Hands-on with the BenQ GV50, a retro-style mini projector that lets you change your viewing angle freely. In the world of portable projectors, the BenQ GV50 stands out not just for its picture quality, but also for its unique retro-inspired design and flexible usability, combining vintage aesthetics reminiscent of 19th-century film reels with modern technology. This mini projector offers a fresh take on home entertainment, allowing users to change their posture and enjoy movies anywhere, whether lying down or sitting up, with ease. BenQ, a Taiwanese brand with over 4 decades of experience in electronics and home appliances, is globally recognized for its durable and high-quality products. While the brand gained significant international recognition in the early 2000s, it continues to innovate in the smart home and entertainment sectors, competing head-to-head with numerous newer electronics brands, including those from China. The BenQ GV50 mini projector exemplifies this legacy of reliability and refinement. It's a device designed for those who seek not only excellent performance, but also a stylish and flexible viewing experience. At first glance, the GV50 immediately captures attention with its distinct cylindrical shape, reminiscent of film reels or canisters from the 19th century. This design lineage started with the earlier BenQ GV31 and continues in the GV50. With meaningful upgrades and hardware improvements, the device's body measures a compact 130.0 by 211.2 by 191.4 mm and weighs just 2.1 kilograms, making it portable yet sturdy enough to handle. The rounded, drop-shaped form factor, paired with a white and gray color scheme, gives it a clean but nostalgic look. The GV50 also comes with a magnetic stand that allows it to be placed vertically or rotated freely, enabling limitless projection angles. This means you can watch comfortably while lying in bed or sitting anywhere without adjusting your seating position awkwardly. The projector's top panel features several buttons, including power, volume controls, sleep timer, and back functions. A standout control is the round, joystick button for menu navigation, providing intuitive and precise setting adjustments. Alongside it, a horizontal slider lets users zoom the image in or out smoothly, a practical feature for a mini projector. A durable leather strap is attached to the body, allowing users to carry the projector with ease by slipping 1 or 2 fingers through the loop. The overall feel of holding the GV50 is reminiscent of handling an old-fashioned film reel, blending nostalgia with modern convenience. On the left side, the GV50 offers a full suite of ports for versatile connections, HDMI input for connecting external devices like laptops or gaming consoles, USB-A port for media playback or accessory connections, USB Type-C port supporting DisplayPort, and power delivery with 2-way charging capability. 3.5mm aux jack for audio output. Barrel-shaped DC power port. This variety allows the GV50 to fit into various setups, whether at home or on the go. The magnetic stand included with the GV50 is more than just a base. It can be extended and tilted to allow projection onto walls, ceilings, or any desired surface. For example, you can place the projector on a bedside table and angle it to project onto the ceiling, enabling you to watch movies while lying comfortably in bed. This adaptability expands the device's use cases beyond typical projector setups, catering to users who prefer a relaxed, posture-free viewing experience. The BenQ GV50 offers full HD resolution 1920x1080p, delivering crisp and vivid images that surpass many competitors with similar specs. Its brightness rating of 500 ANSI lumens ensures that images appear clear and vibrant in moderately lit rooms. The projector also boasts an impressive contrast ratio of 100:001, helping to render deep blacks and rich colors essential for an immersive cinema experience. The aspect ratio is the standard cinematic 169, perfect for movies and streaming content. With an estimated lamp life of 20,000 hours in normal mode and up to 30,000 hours in eco mode, the GV50 promises long-term durability and value. Unlike many mini projectors that rely on small, low-quality speakers, the GV50 features a robust audio system, comprising two 4W tweeters and a 10W woofer. This arrangement delivers fuller sound with better clarity and bass response, compared to typical portable projectors. Additionally, the GV50 can double as a Bluetooth speaker, allowing you to wirelessly stream audio from smartphones or laptops. When the projection function isn't needed, the GV50 runs the original Google TV operating system, not a scaled-down or mobile version. This means users have full access to a rich ecosystem of apps and streaming services, including Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Apple TV, Jio Hotstar, and many more. Connectivity is reliable with Bluetooth 5.0 and dual-band Wi-Fi, supporting both Android and iOS devices through Google Cast and AirPlay. The interface is responsive and easy to navigate, making the first-time setup straightforward. With Google TV onboard, there's no need for additional devices. To enjoy popular streaming platforms, BenQ offers a variety of picture modes on the GV50 to suit different viewing preferences, including HDR Custom, Game, Cinema, Night Shift, Vibrant, Bright, HLG and HLG Custom. Moreover, the GV50 covers 92% of the Rec. 709 color space, an industry standard for HD TV, ensuring accurate and pleasing colors that remain true to the original content. Positioned about 2.5 to 3 meters away from a wall or projection screen, the GV50 can deliver images ranging from 60 inches up to 120 inches diagonally. This range is suitable for small to medium rooms, offering big screen entertainment wherever you place it, thanks to features like autofocus and 2D auto keystone correction. Setting up the image is hassle-free. The magnetic stand combined with the zoom and keystone functions lets users quickly adapt to different rooms or surfaces without struggling with manual adjustments. While the GV50 shines in many areas, it has a couple of downsides worth noting. The built-in battery lasts around 2.5 hours on Eco mode, which may not cover the length of a full feature film without recharging. In terms of audio, the speaker system provides good sound quality, but is designed primarily for small rooms or intimate settings. For larger spaces or group viewings, connecting to external speakers via the aux port is advisable. With a retail price of approximately $749 USD on BenQ's official website, the GV50 offers a compelling package for users who want a stylish, portable, and versatile projector with premium features. The combination of retro aesthetics, quality full HD visuals, flexible setup options, and smart streaming capabilities makes it a strong contender in the mini projector market. The BenQ GV50 redefines portable projection with its clever blend of vintage design and contemporary technology. It is ideal for users who value style and flexibility, enabling them to watch movies, play games, or enjoy streaming content in multiple postures and environments, without sacrificing picture or sound quality. While the battery life and speaker volume may limit some use cases, these trade-offs don't overshadow the GV50's core strengths: portability, image sharpness, and the freedom to project almost anywhere. For anyone seeking a mini projector that breaks away from conventional designs and adds a unique flair to home entertainment, the BenQ GV50 is a highly recommended choice.